well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. So without any waste of time, today we are cooking sweet and sour steak. Okay, let's get straight to it. First of all, you're gonna use your butter. While your butter is still on there. Alright, your steak, your tender steak, remember, use any type of your spice, your favorite spice. We don't showcase spices. Any spice of your choice, darling. Don't forget to subscribe. Of course, comment and share this video. A little bit of meat tenderizer. Remember, if there's a meat tenderizer, no salt, please. Rub it nicely, marinate it nicely. Not marinate, I'm sorry. Massage it, by the way. Alright, make sure that your heat is very low. Don't use a small pan like me. It ain't cute, okay? Make sure that your heat is very low. I got you. It's coming alright. Don't overcook it. See? It's ready. Okay, let's go again. Squeeze your lemon. That is lemon. Please squeeze your lemon. If you don't have lemon, please use your lemon juice. But I prefer real lemon. Forgive me for this small pot. Another thing that you're going to do, you're going to squeeze in your honey. That's honey. Thanks for watching, Femmies. Don't forget to subscribe. Put honey, enough of it so that we can feel the sweetness, so that we can taste the sweetness. Ta-da! We are done. Ooh. Yippee! It was very nice. That was our nice sweet and sour steak. Thank you for watching, Femmies. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Until we meet again, I love you. Bye.